Okay, so I'm feeding the seagulls. I just put some bread there for them. Are they hungry seagulls? Yeah. Are they hungry? Are they gone already? They'll probably come back now. Carl come in. Yeah, here they come. They're coming back for more. See seagulls? I'm cold. I got my blankie over me. Yeah, freezing actually. It's like a film of. Have you ever seen a horror film movie called The Birds? This is why the birds are invaded. The birds have invaded. Yes, invaded. They're really hungry because here they come. A lot of them. Yeah, the birds have invaded. Yeah, they're invaded. Wales. Oh, and by the way, happy birthday, Jacksepticeye. Here they come again. Yeah, get that bread. Yeah, hungry birdies. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my golly. There's a lot of them there. Like a horror film. Yeah, we're being tortured by seagulls. Yeah, they invaded Wales. Don't go out, or the seagulls will have you. Oh golly. Oh, I think they've had their food now and they're flying away. A magpie. So